Business is a chain between manufacturers and buyers. This is why right business manufacturing industry and supply chain is very important for your long-term profitable business relationship. If you are a buyer, then you need a right manufacturer. Or if you are a manufacturer, then you need a right buyer. Your both parties may need to verify your own businesses for your secure long-term business relationship. When we talk about Indian small-scale manufacturing industries, it's a huge market. Here are a lot of different kinds of categories, size, languages, small-scale businesses available. Now question is, as an international buyer, how to verify small-scale manufacturing industries for a long-term business partnership with India. Today, I am going to share with you how to verify Indian small-scale manufacturing industries in simple 7 steps. So stay tuned. Number 1. Business profile verification. The business profile helps to find how clear the business is. Is this business organized and professional to supply customers' need or not? A business profile should have all clear business requirements in details along with their all business licenses. Number 2. GST Number Verification or Certificate. GST means Goods and Service Tax number provided by the Indian government, where you can also cross-check manufacturer GST tax number and business identity. However, GST is not mandatory for export. Number 3. Local Trade License Certificate Verification. A business may need to register manufacturing unit by the Indian state government in their local business place. Indian Municipal Corporation or Gram Panchayat are the government authority for issuing local trade license. So here also you can cross-check. Number 4. IEC Code Verification. IEC means Import-Export Code provided by the Government of India. Directorate General of Foreign Trade, DGFT. For import-export business, it is mandatory. This IEC code you can verify through DGFT portal. Number 5. MSME Certificate or Status Verification. MSME Certificate provided by Indian Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. This is the certificate of Udyog Aadhaar. Now it is known as Udyam Registration. Indian government Udyam Registration also can help you verify your Indian manufacturing industry or business supplier. If you want to know more about MSME, then you may visit my blog website powerlinekey.com or my other MSME related video. Number 6. Google My Business Profile Verification. Additionally, you may also verify business listing in Google Local Business and other social media business platforms. First 5 verification steps are more than enough for a new business startup's verification. Number 7. Business Place Visit Verification. Business place visit is more effective to understand both party quality and potential verification. However, a committed business agreement is good enough to start business without location visit. In conclusion, business verification, commitment discussion, price and other necessary quality check, all those business terms and conditions get in written format. After that, your complete business chain may focus on quality and competitive business supply. If you think this video is helpful, please give me a like and share with others. If you are new on my channel, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel to get my new video release automatic notification. At last, be fit and do something super hit. See you until next video. Thank you. Namaste.